Hi everyone and welcome to Canada Immigration Explore YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about apply for a parents and grandparents super visa. The super visa allows parents and grandparents of Canadian citizens and permanent residents to come to Canada as visitors for up to 5 consecutive years, effective July 4, 2022. On their initial visit without having to renew their status, parents and grandparents can stay in Canada for an extended period of time. Super visas can remain valid for up to 10 years. Super visa will allow eligible parents and grandparents of Canadian citizens and permanent residents to visit their family in Canada for up to 5 years without having to renew their status. Those with a super visa already will also be able to apply for an extension that may enable them to remain in Canada as a visitor for up to 7 years. The super visa allows parents and grandparents to enter Canada multiple times for up to 10 years. Prior to July 4, 2022, the super visa policy was to allow entries into Canada up to 2 years. The super visa is available year-round and, much like the parents and grandparents program, has minimum income requirements. The super visa is ideal for parents and grandparents living in countries that require a temporary resident visa, TRV, for entry to Canada. By obtaining the super visa, they will be able to travel freely between Canada and their country of residence without the worry and hassle of regularly reapplying for a TRV. Those who don't require a TRV to enter Canada may also apply using the same application process. Instead of being issued a visa, however, they will be given an official letter from Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, that will authorize their visit for up to 2 years at their initial entry. Parents or grandparents of Canadian citizens and permanent residents may be eligible to apply for the super visa. The applicants cannot be inadmissible to Canada on the basis of health or security, and they may be required to meet specific conditions set forth by the visa office through which they will be applying. It is important to note that no dependents can be included in this application. Only parents or grandparents, together with their spouses or common-law partners, may be included on an application for the super visa. The application process is similar to that for a regular TRV. However, additional documentation is required to ensure that the parents and grandparents will be well supported during their time in Canada. This requirement includes a letter of invitation from the child or grandchild residing in Canada, documents that prove the child or grandchild meets the low-income cutoff (LICO) minimum, proof of parental relationship with child or grandchild, such as a birth certificate that names him or her as a parent. Proof of medical insurance coverage for at least 1 year with a Canadian insurance company. The application should be processed at the Canadian visa office responsible for the applicant's place of residence outside of Canada. Depending on the visa office, additional documentation may be needed. The complete application will be assessed with regard to a number of factors. The purpose of the visit to Canada will be examined, as well as whether parents or grandparents will maintain sufficient ties to their home country. This can be illustrated by showing family ties, finances, and other connections that lie outside of Canada. All super visa applicants will be required to undergo a medical examination. Forms and instructions for this examination will be issued by the visa office after the application has been submitted. To qualify for a super visa, the child or grandchild who is inviting their parents or grandparents will need to prove that their household meets the required low-income cutoff (LICO). This proof may consist of the following documents: Notice of Assessment, NOA, or T4 or T1 for the most recent tax year, employment insurance stubs, an employment letter including salary and date of hiring, pay stubs, bank statements. Now, have a look at low-income cutoff (LICO) for one person, your child or grandchild. Minimum necessary gross income required $25,921 for 2 persons, minimum necessary gross income required $32,270 for 3 persons, minimum necessary gross income required $39,672 for 4 persons. Minimum necessary gross income required $48,167 for 5 persons. Minimum necessary gross income required $54,630 for 6 persons. Minimum necessary gross income required $61,613 for 7 or more persons. Minimum necessary gross income required $68,598, more than 7 persons, for each additional person, add. Minimum necessary gross income required $6,985. In the end, I would like to request you please like the video and subscribe Canada Immigration Explore YouTube channel and also share this video to your friends and family members for Canada immigration updates. Thank you, see you in the next video, take care.